Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday was my birthday and it was fun. I really gotta say, we had a really good time. We did leave out Saturday and we drove to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we spent all day and all night at Gatlinburg. And then Sunday we got up really early and had breakfast at that little hotel we stayed at, and then we went to Sevierville, Tennessee, which has a big outlet mall. And then my hubby wanted to go to, it's called, I believe it's called the Knife Works of the Smokies. It's just this big, they have knives, they have, you know, anything like camping, survival, hunting, fishing. Well, no, I don't think they had fishing, but hunting, and actually downstairs they had kitchen, like things for your kitchen. And they also had a little area called the relics room, which had like gemstones and crystals and you know, relics kind of things, like old kind of things. But I wanted to show you kind of what I packed for a 2-day trip. I actually packed 3 bags of stuff. Like this makeup bag has my brushes, I believe, and my switch in it. Then this bag held my makeup, and I'm knocking like a bunch of makeup brushes in the floor as I do this. And then this bag had our toiletries. And I'm not going to show you everything, but like here's our shampoo and conditioner, and I did put that in a zippy lock just in case anything leaked. You know, a comb and acids just in case. Travel size, you know, shampoos, conditioners, travel size hairspray, hand sanitizer, and then a all over body lotion that we could use. So, and our toothbrushes were in here, and then on the outside some medication, some hair bows, Q-tips, because this little thing zips up too. And I did get this little thing at Ross, and it's made for like a you can put a wet bathing suit in it, so it is leak proof or waterproof. And there's also a rollerball perfume, because I took a couple of those with me. And then, like I said, this little bag, which I think I got it with Ipsy or something a long time ago, or a gift with a purchase. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out because this has like my switch in it. There's some wrapping paper, and the sponge that I used that needs to go into the bathroom and get washed. Oh, my Fenty was in there. It's supposed to went back in the other bag. The earrings that I took, and then just all my brushes. And there was another brush on the floor. And then my makeup bag, which is clear on the front so you can see what you have. I just took like basic makeup, a day and night cream. Both of these are Estee Lauder, so I took those. And I took my naked palette because that would give me just nice neutral looks for, you know, both days. My concealer, my eye primer, Lash Paradise, my brow products. I do have a Buxom lip gloss in here, but I also have the Fenty lip gloss, and I think a e.l.f. lip gloss in the little handbag I took, and I'll show you that too. So I'm going to start putting this stuff back where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to, but I'm making a mess actually. And then I took the Wet n Wild pressed powder just in case I was taking pictures, and that is a good little powder. This e.l.f., and it was brand new. I hadn't even used this yet. The Fiji Matte, because that way I had a blush and a bronzer in one. And then I took, for my face, the Amazonian Tarte Full Coverage Foundation, but you guys know I shear this down so it's not like super duper full coverage. And that was all the makeup I took. So I didn't really take a whole lot of makeup. I took things that, you know, would work for me. I'm just going to lay this stuff back out. And then the little handbag I took was that little Coach Kelsey that I got. This thing holds a lot, and you don't even think about it, but it's got a lot in it. And I actually had this pack full as we walked around, so I've got a lot of receipts from when we shopped, and we did a lot of shopping. I have a little draw bag because my hubby bought me a bracelet, and it was supposed to go in that little draw bag. A little mini wallet, my sunglasses, prescription sunglasses, more receipts. I did buy a MAC lipstick, so that's in here still in the box. There is the 2 lip glosses I took, Fenty and the e.l.f. My car keys, and I also had my hubby's car keys in there. Another little hand lotion, so if he needed a lotion or I needed something on my hands while we were out. Another rollerball perfume, because I like to smell good. And that was everything in here. But I had this little baby packed full while we were walking around, because he bought me a couple little things that were in boxes. And I put those boxes in my purse so I didn't have to carry them. And then the last little box I took with me, and I got this at Cato's years ago. And I've seen them at Belk's. I don't know if I've ever seen them at Ross. I've seen them at TJ Maxx. But it's a little pill case, and it zips. And inside is a little removable pill thing. And then I have my mother's necklace in there because I had that on when we went. And in here I have some I believe it's 650 ibuprofens. My prescription that I have to take which was just 1 pill, some Benadryls, Imodiums for our tummy, and naproxen. And that was all that was in here. But just a nice little pill case in case you need to take some medications. So that was everything I kind of packed to take with us. And I'm going to do a haul in the next video because this would just be way too long. So if you want to follow me on part 2, because I'm going to keep these really short and really sweet. I am going to do my makeup with something that I bought while we were out, and that's part of the haul, but I'm going to get that out first maybe, and do my makeup in the next video because I have nothing on right now. And then I'll show you everything we got at Pigeon Forge and out the Sevierville outlet. So stay tuned for part 2 to this, because I know I got to break it up. We're going to do my makeup in part 2, and then part 3 will probably be the full haul. All right, guys, as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.